On the North Shore, most of downtown Hammond is shut down. The lights are off, doors are locked, streets are empty. But one restaurant decided to stay open.
WDSU North Shore Bureau reporter Shawanda Jones live at Brady's, where earlier today they served up more than just a good time. Shawanda.
Yeah, Gina, while most of Hammond is frozen in place, a local restaurant fired up the grill for crews working around the clock here at Brady's. People came and got more than just a hot meal. They got a reset. From the outside, Hammond looks like a ghost town with the occasional sightseer. But inside Brady's restaurant, it's warm, it's loud, and it's one of the only places open.
We decided to open, but we didn't really publicize it. We don't want people coming here just to come here to hang out.
Thousands of homes went cold and dark earlier today in Tangipahoa Parish. Power crews have been grinding through long shifts, freezing temperatures, and dark neighborhoods to bring the power back on.
A lot of people got to have fun, but a lot of other people put themselves in danger. And, they put their lives on the line, so the least we could do is give them a hot meal.
First responders, power crews, and locals who didn't have power flooded the bar earlier, just looking for a warm plate. Kyle has been bartending at Brady's for 2 years and says firing up the kitchen for people who have been keeping them safe and warm is just the Louisiana way.
Today we did about 40 meals for them, and that's before we did every other customer, so we didn't want to do them first.
And just next door, Dylan and Trey, well, they had the best seat in the house, watching from their windows as the city froze over in real time.
The streets are definitely getting icy. I see people drive too much. There's definitely a lot of people on the road, and there definitely shouldn't be.
Trey tried driving through the ice today. He says he won't be making that mistake twice.
And if you do go, definitely drive slow, but don't. It's not worth it. Be safe. Yeah, be safe. Don't be like me.
Brady's just closed minutes ago. They're asking everyone to stay at home if you're not in the immediate area, if you're not in walking distance. And of course, they're going to be open tomorrow for first responders and people who live in the community who may not be able to cook a good home cooked meal. The roads are expected to be icy and dangerous tomorrow. Reporting from Hammond, I'm Shawanda Jones, WDSU News.